In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new items and services on Freshbooks. We'll start on the Freshbooks dashboard and walk through adding a product item first, then a service, so you can use both on invoices and estimates. From the dashboard, head to Items and Services. Choose Create New, then select Item. Begin by entering a clear, concise name. Pick something your clients and team will recognize instantly. In the description field, add helpful details like model, size, or what's included so you don't have to retype it later. Next, choose an income account. This tells FreshBooks where to categorize revenue for reports. If you don't see a suitable category, click Add New Account. You can assign it as a parent account to create a top-level category or as a sub-account to nest it under an existing one, which helps keep reporting organized. After choosing the right placement, save the account. Enter a default rate for the item. This is the price that will autofill on invoices, and you can always adjust it per invoice if needed. Add any applicable taxes. If your region requires more than one, use Add Another Tax to stack them, and ensure your tax rates match your local rules and your accountant's guidance. If you carry stock, turn on Track Inventory. This enables quantity tracking and helps prevent overselling. When everything looks good, click Save and then confirm to finalize the item. Your new item is now ready to use. Now let's add a service. Back in Items and Services, click Create New and choose Service. Enter a service name that describes the work clearly, followed by a description that sets expectations. Think scope, deliverables, or typical turnaround. Pick the appropriate income account. If you need a new one, use Add New Account just like before. Enter the standard rate for the service and add the taxes that apply. If your service can be taxed in multiple ways, use Add Another Tax to include them. Enable billables so this service can be charged to clients. If you regularly add this service to new projects, turn on Automatically Add this service to all new projects. That way it's available by default when you set up new work. Finally, click Save to complete the service setup. That's it. You've added both an item with inventory options and a service with billable settings. Keeping names consistent, descriptions informative, and accounts organized will make invoicing faster and your